steam service from Broadway to Cheltenham Racecourse. GWSR here on this anniversary special weekend of the railways. Seven 903 there, we upload the horn there. Cheltenham Racecourse. Without a fully laden train. And there he goes, across the bridge here. Seven 903 locomotive. Sorry about the boy racers. Must need to act like men. So some people say, send them to national service. I'll sort them out. There we are. 7903 anniversary weekend of the railways. Here's the contribution of the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway. Over not far from Cheltenham Racecourse there. About half a mile from there.